Here are email marketing providers who offer free plans. The first one is MailChimp at mailchimp.com. Then we have Sendinblue at sendinblue.com, MailerLite at mailerlite.com, and Benchmark Email at benchmarkemail.com. Now let's look at the first one, MailChimp. MailChimp is probably the most popular one here. In fact, I use a lot of MailChimp. Now let's look at the pricing here. You can see that for their forever free plan, you can have up to 2,000 subscribers and up to 12,000 emails sent per month. And these are the rest of their features here. Then we have Sendinblue.com. They're based in Paris, in fact. And you can see the free account, a free plan here, up to 300 emails per day. These are all the rest of their features that they have. And we look at MailerLite.com here. They are actually based in Lithuania. So the free plan allows you to have up to 1,000 subscribers and you can send unlimited emails to them. And also we have benchmarkemail.com, who is based in California, USA. Click on pricing and you can see that the free plan here allows you to have up to 2,000 subscribers and up to 14,000 emails per month. And here are their features. I've used Benchmark Email before and I think they're pretty good too.